Nice to meet you. It's very important that you took the time actually to do the meeting with me. I really appreciate that you have a lot of, you're very busy, and it's important for me to learn. So let me introduce myself. We spoke over the phone. I'm Dimitris Damascos, and I'm the founder of Delphi, and I'm very excited to be here with you. I saw that you have the latest edition of InfoWorld magazine on your desk. Yes. You have a chance to read through it?
Yeah, I read yesterday. It was really interesting.
I love this magazine. I saw that you had a very interesting article about CIOs, information officers, and what's important in their evaluation. And I read that the most important part was their ability to provide reliable information without any problems in the network. And I guess that's an objective of your job as well, right?
Yes, of course, it's really important.
And so I'm wondering, do you face any crashes in your network very often? How does that work?
Yes, unfortunately, I would say we face at least 5 times per week.
Really? And how costly is that in terms of the ability to repair? And
yes, we have a whole team dealing with these issues, and I don't know the exact number, but I would say that it is at least 2 million per year.
Really? That's a lot of money. So, what would you say that also we have a software that can actually predict when the network can crash and can actually make you solve these failures up front and save you a lot of money, as you mentioned, time and resources. Would you be interested in such a proposal?
Such a product sounds interesting, but how do I know that it really works?
Yeah, actually, our product has a very interesting background, which answers your question. It was developed by Intel Israel during the first Gulf War in order to deal with the Scud missiles attacks, and it was further improved by a pioneer in the field who actually developed the instant messaging for Yahoo and Microsoft. So, as you understand, it's cutting-edge technology that this product has. And on top of that, we were very lucky to have this product licensed by Intel and tested in our beta site, Job Hancock Life Insurance, to see that it can actually work very efficiently.
Yeah, but you are a new company, you are also a small organization.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. We're very young and small, but at the same time, we are backed up by a strong team of venture capitalists in Boston. They have very strong and deep knowledge of technology and networks specifically. And at the same time, my team and I, as a graduate of Carnegie Mellon and experience in working in IDF logistics, I have the experience in networks and in technology, so we are very focused on that area.
We're a very big company, as you know. What about the compatibility with our current systems?
That's the major concern when you actually install new operating system, as you know. So that's the major advantage of our software. That doesn't need any modifications in order to be installed and operate with your operating system. You name it, ERP, SAP, Oracle, whatever. You can just plug in and it will actually work without any resources and investment on your behalf to make it happen.
It sounds interesting, but can you really guarantee that it will be effective?
Yeah, as I told you, it's really effective as we saw from our beta site. However, if that makes you feel better, we can offer you our warranty, and we're very keen to providing that to you. Does this work?
Yes. I don't have a budget this year. This is the problem. Maybe we can examine it for next year.
Sure. That's a very valid argument, but we are very eager to work with you, so we can make you a special offer, so you're free to take our product and test it for free for the next 6 months, and then you can decide whether to actually go with full installation for the next year, or actually not continue to do that if our product doesn't fit our needs.
That's a really interesting proposal.
That's great. As a follow-up, would you mind if we set up next week a meeting with your team in order to make them familiar and accustomed with our product software, so that the usage would be easier for your behalf?
Yes, you can check my availability with my secretary.
That's great. Next week works for you?
You will check.
Great. So I'll just talk with you today and arrange it.
Yes. Thank you very much for your time. It's really interesting, and looking forward to the next.
Great. See you next week.